Hello. Um, in this video, I want to talk about you know making your dog like the crate or a new place. So you can see that I have a crate here, and inside the crate there is a box. Um, Max and I call it the activity box because I have some fun stuff, you know, kept inside. So it might not be fun for the human, but it is so fun for the dog. What I have done is like I have picked up newspapers, um, rolls, and then small cardboard boxes, and then use those newspapers and wrap the treats and then placed inside the card box, and then the small card box is like put inside the bigger one. So what I'm going to do now is I'm gonna let Max, do the activity. He's gonna chew, tear, whatnot, do everything with the cardboard box. I wanted to convey two things here. Number one, this is the first time, I have moved the crate out of my bedroom and placed it in the office room, the one that you're seeing right now. So from today onwards, I want Max to sleep in the office room, which is why I wanted to make the crate so much fun in the office room. So he already has a good history of sleeping inside the crate. He can sleep in it overnight without any problem. The only thing that I'm gonna do is I want him to Maxa, படுத்துக்கோ கீழே நான் இன்னும் சொல்லலம்மா வெயிட் பண்ணு ப்ளீஸ் வெயிட் பண்ணு போகக்கூடாது போகக்கூடாது படுக்கீழே வெயிட் பண்ணு the only thing that um, the only thing that I wanted to do is that I want him to sleep inside the office room. All right. So by doing this activity for maybe like a couple of days from now, he's gonna find this place so much interesting and rewarding. The activity box right here is so fun and rewarding as well because there are treats hidden, there are high and low value treats hidden inside. All right. The next thing that I want to point out is that you could, when you have a value hidden in the box, you could transfer those values to other areas of your training. For example, right now you can see that the crate is open, but then the dog is waiting. So I'm teaching him impulse control while while he can go and enjoy the high value rewards. So you can couple multiple areas of training, and then you can, this way you can make your training very efficient. All right. So I think I have made him wait long enough, so I'm going to release him. Before that, I'm going to ask him a couple of obedience commands. Let's see what he does, and I'm also going to show you how he deals with the activity box. And finally, he knows that he should not he should not eat cardboard boxes because right from the very young age he has been brought up that way. All right, so let's test him. Break, inga puppy. Sit down, stand, break. Oh, sorry. Good boy. All right, I'm going to close the door and allow him to enjoy the box. So you can see it is so much fun for him. He has done this many times. குழந்தைக்கு இந்த டைம் கஷ்டமாக வச்சுருக்கேன்டா, கஷ்டமாக செட் பண்ணிட்டேன்னா நல்லா கடி. See, the tearing activity, the chewing activity, these are all very enriching for the dog. So I think it is very important for for pet parents to provide their dogs with enough enrichment activities. That way, you will solve most of the behavioral issues. Uh, all the behavioral issues that you normally see occur because of lack of enrichment when it comes to dogs. So this tearing, the sniffing, the smell, all these enrich the dog, stimulates their brain, stimulates their physical body and whatnot. See, he's so much enjoying. This is what I like the most. I like watching him, doing something. It's so soul fulfilling. குழந்தை கண்டுபிடிச்சதா? கண்டுபிடி, நிறைய ட்ரீட் இருக்கு உள்ள. Oh yeah, that's dried liver, dehydrated liver. So he's quite enjoying it, man. Do you hear him sniff? That was intense, isn't it? All right. Okay, you would have to remember two things before you do such activity with your dog. Number one, you have to make sure that there are no staples in the box, like there are no staple pins, right? So that could hurt your dog. And secondly, you would have to supervise. So the entire time that your dog, does the activity, you would have to be there to supervise your dog, because unsupervised activities are not, healthy. Because anything could go wrong. You might not know. All right. So keep these points in mind, and enjoy the activity, man. Like, look at the mess. What a mess, right? But I enjoy cleaning the mess that he makes. It's like we've been doing this since a long time, since he came to my house. All right. So this activity, right after this activity, your dog should, probably lay down, or calmly exhibit some sort of calm behavior. The reason being, this activity is so intense that they stimulate their brain as well their body. So that's the reason. And a couple of days, I'm gonna do this activity with him, so he starts liking this place more and more. All right, I think you had a good time watching the video. Hope it was of some use to you. If you do play an activity with your dog, please do record a video and then post it in the comment. I'd be happy to see that, and comment on your video. And yeah, keep on training. Have fun with your dog. Have a good night.